Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be discussing Excel easy formulas for beginners, and this is part 3. So we have the different subjects that I want to talk about here. First we have the equal sign, then we have addition, number 2, number 3, subtraction, 4, multiplication, and 5, division. So again, this is just showing you the easy way to make formulas within Excel. So I just randomly put some data here within the our worksheet. And you notice I have addition here. So I'm going to press into this cell here, and this is cell E8. Remember from previous videos, E8 is the cell, the active cell, and this is the cell box. So we're in E8. If we press the equal sign, that equal sign is on the keyboard, and press that, that denotes to Excel that you or we as the user that we want to create a formula. So if you look in this is the formula bar, you can create the formula typing within here with your iBeamer, or you can come right here within the cell. Either one will do the job. So for addition, what I want to do first, this 590 is in, looks like it's in E3. So I'm going to literally type E3. And you can do it lower, upper, it doesn't matter. Excel is going to realize where you're at. So E3. And then since we're doing addition, I'm going to use the shift key and press the plus sign. And then we're going to type in E4. And you notice when we did the cell E4, now that's lit up red. E3 is blue and E4 is red. Now I'm going to proceed to do the plus sign once again. And we want, you probably guessed it, we're going to do E5. And you notice that is purple. And then lastly, we'll do the shift again and the plus sign. And we're going to do E6. And I'm just going to capitalize that one to show you there's no difference there. And then that concludes our formula. We press enter, and apparently 590 plus 253, 355, and 273 equals $598.81. Now in the earlier video, we're going to do the autofill, and this is going to add all of our other columns. So I'm going to undo, because now I want to show you a little quicker way, which is, again, we do the equal sign, which denotes that we're doing a formula. Instead of typing E3, we're going to do what we call the point and click. So if we select E3, and then we press the plus sign, and then we can select E4, do shift and the plus sign, select E5, and do the same thing one last time. And you notice that way it was even quicker, and we have our same total. And then I'm going to do the autofill, so we don't have to do all those other equations. And if we just click randomly, we do cell K8, and you notice if we look on the formula bar, it has K3 plus K4 plus K5 plus K6. So you guys get the point there. Now let's move on to subtraction. So again, we're going to do our point click mode, and you guessed it, we're going to do the shift and the minus sign, which is next to the plus key. And then we'll select the next cell, E4, and do and you don't have to do the shift for the minus on these here. There's a shift to do a different button that we don't want. And then our last one. And then we press enter, and we have that answer. And we can do our autofill. And now all of these cells have the subtraction done. So if I just go to P9, for example, and go here to the formula bar, we see P3 minus P4 minus P5 minus P6 is 47 cents. All right, moving on. Multiplication. So once again, the equal sign. And then we're going to select this cell. And for multiplication, you can do the shift and on the number key, the number 8, that's our asterisk, and that's what multiplication stands for within Excel. Press the next cell, shift, and the number 8 key, which is the multiplication again, asterisk. Go to the next cell, press shift, number 8, and then lastly, and then press enter after you've finished that. And now we have those 4 cells, all of them multiplied. And if we look on the formula bar, there it is, E3 times E4 times E5 times E6, and that's our answer, 14,466 and 50 cents. Now we will autofill those. Use our fill handle, and this gives us the answers to those. So if we go to cell 1110, for example, you notice here we have the equal sign, L3 times L4 times L5 times L6. So our last topic for today is division. So of course we already know we do our equal sign. And then for division, we're going to select our E3 cell, and the division sign is right near the question mark on our keyboard. And then we press the next cell, E4, and divide, and then E5, divide, and oops, if you click the wrong one, just select the correct one. So we want E6, not E7. Then if I press enter, apparently dividing all 4 of those cells, we get a number of $24.06. And then we can fill those, and we have the same, and just go to the last cell here, R11. Look in the formula bar, and we have our equal to sign. Again, that denotes that we're wanting Excel to do a formula. And then R3 divided by R4, divided by R5, and divided by R6. And of course, I just quickly made this example. Ideally, we probably would want to divide that many numbers, but yeah, you would. It just depends on what you're trying to do. But I hope you learned something on today. And again, this was Excel Easy Formulas for Beginners. I showed you the equal sign, which lets Excel know that you are trying to make an equation, whether it's equation or function, which we will talk about functions in a later video. But then we talked about addition. I showed you how to do the point click and how you can type in your formulas within the formula bar. Thirdly, we did subtraction. And then fourth, multiplication. And division was our last formula that we learned on today. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and watch more videos. Thank you. Bye.